Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Settings, not the camera app. Open WLAN now, then tap the small QR icon or scan option at the top. This triggers the built-in Wi-Fi scanner. If the phone asks for camera access, grant it, otherwise the scanner cannot read codes. Do this first so you have the scanner view ready. Position the QR in the center of the screen, keep the phone steady and at a normal reading distance. Once the code is visible, the phone will try to interpret it automatically. With the scanner open, center the QR so the whole code fits. About 10 to 20 centimeters works well. The phone reads the pattern and extracts the SSID and password. This may take 1 second or a few. When the network card appears, check that the SSID matches the intended network, then tap Connect or Join to apply credentials. The device uses the saved password to authenticate. Make sure you confirm promptly, so the system can negotiate DHCP. After tapping Connect, open WLAN details to confirm it shows connected and displays an IP address. This proves you're on the network. If connection fails, forget the network, then rescan the QR or manually enter the SSID and password to eliminate scanning errors. Common fixes. Ensure camera permission is enabled for settings, improve lighting and keep the QR flat, or update EMUI if scanning is buggy. If the router uses captive portals, open a browser to complete sign-in after connecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.